Hello everyone. This particular example, it like when people look at this kind of question, and it might put you off because of the 3R in front of the brackets and the negative sign inside the brackets. But if you break it down into two parts, this question is kind of easy to do. Let me walk you through this. 3R again is exactly the same as previous example that we did. 3R multiplied by R would give you as simple as 3R squared. Remember, when you multiply two letters together, you get squared. So R times R will give you R squared, and B times B will give you B squared, C times C will give you C squared, and so on. And for the second part of this question, 3R times minus 2. So you have to be careful of the sign right in the middle. So 3R times minus 2, or 3R multiplied by minus 2 with minus 6R. So have a go at these examples and see what you can do. And remember to actually check your answers. Remember to write the question down when you completed the question, and check every single part of the question.